Hello guys, welcome to Outdoor Design for your storyboard. Let's start. This is the sample sketch of a storyboard. You can use this sketch too in your storyboard. So if you want to change to vector design, then you want to use in storyboard, and next you want to use in animation, 2D animations, you must create your vector design from the sketch. Let's start. The first thing is the most important. Select your design and lock. Then create the sky. The first important part. Go to color box, select the gradient and press shift. Double click here, change to blue sky, and double click here, change to white. Little bit change to blue. Okay, and next select, go to object, send to back, select and lock. Let's create the mountains. Turn off the fill, turn on the stroke, and select the mountain color. Start from here. Okay, let's create these places. And close the first mountain, and let's create the second mountain. Close. And now time to select pencil and change the color darker, change the size, and select the first style, create. Okay, select the first style, go to appearance option, take a look, this option must be off. Create, make bigger, and select. Draw the all mountain lines. Okay. And now select the mountain, fill the color, turn off the stroke, select another mountain, fill the color, turn off the stroke, and double click, make brighter, press OK. And the next, draw the river, select, start from here, there is the river, Ctrl Z, press Alt, take, copy, and close. Turn off the stroke, turn on the blue color, and select the gradient annotator, double click, change the blue color, double click, change blue color like this. Okay, and next go to gradient, reverse, select these points to cover the landscape, and select send to back. Okay, in next select the pencil, draw, stroke, double click, make brighter, and select this style, make 10, and we draw another water wave, another water wave, another water wave, and another water wave. And next, draw the landscape. Select the rectangle, draw a landscape here, and turn off. Select the gradient, draw a gradient here, and double click. Brighter green and dark green. Select, go to Object, Arrange Send to Back. And the next, create a simple house by pen tool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Select the solid color, the front color. Select the pen tool and zoom in. Press A, set here. Select this point, set here, and set here. Select the pen tool, 1 click, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, double click, change a little bit darker, and draw the top of the horn. Double click, select, change the color, and let's draw this side of the color, and close. Double click, make brighter. Looking good. There is 2 window. Zoom in. To window, create the gradient color, blue gradient, and turn on the stroke color for the window. And select, press Alt, take a copy. Not important what kind of window, how to design the window, because this is the sketch to design for a storyboard. Press Alt, take a copy. Move up and set here. Press Alt, create 2 window here. Okay, go to Object, lock the background, select all without home, go to Object, lock, select all the home, create a group, and then select the symbol spray, go to Window, Symbol, select the flowers, or select the nature, select the trees, create 2 trees here, 1, 2 trees here, and 1 trees here. Select the flower and here and here. Okay, and now select the cloud, 1 cloud here and the second cloud here. Go to Object, unlock, and move the sketch. Select all, go to Object, change opacity to 100. Select all again. Before selecting, select the mountain, move it down here, and move the lines down here. Move the lines down, and down here, and down here. Move up. Okay, zoom out. Select this point of mounting, and create a rectangle. like this, and select all of them and go to object, go to clipping mask, make. Okay, what's next? There's a little bit problem. Let's create artboard here and go to view, train view. Here is the outdoor design for your animation, for your storyboard.